now.
Hey, I'm Alessandra.
I'm Danielle, and this is Girl Talk with Dogs. Once again, Brooke.
We're trying to FaceTime
Chelsea
to see.
Here, watch Brooke do tricks. Here, don't feed you. This is Bacon Bacon for dogs. Not for humans.
Say hey, Brooke.
Hey, Brooke. Come on, wave to the people. Say, Vita. She's got videotape. Say hi, Brooke. Let's give him a shake paw. Good Brooke. Good Brooke. She shook paw. Brookie, dance with me. La 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 la. Okay, now sit and be patient. Catch a treat. Good girl. Here, this is good. Charlie, stop. Sit, Brooke, sit. 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 Sit down. Lay. And crawl. Or just
Make her roll over.
Crawl. 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 No, she can't do roll over. What dog does roll over? Now stand up and catch a treat. Okay, Brooke, here you go. Up. Let's do shake paw one more time. Set. Shake paw. Here, give me a high five. Ready? Up. High five. Good girl. That's it for today. This was a small episode of Girl Talk. I'm Danielle.
I'm Alessandra.
That's Brookie, half pug, half beagle. I puggle. And you just saw Brookie do all her famous tricks. Bye. This has been Girl Talk.